Greetings folks, here's something very different from Banggood. In a moment of madness I saw this beautiful little Bleriot kit. I didn't realise quite how much of a build it was going to be, but it's a traditional old school balsa and plywood built up kit with the plans that you build on top of, like this. I really love this Bleriot XI model, this really old school, very early pioneer of aviation. So this little kit caught my eye. It's not going to be a quick and easy build. It's going to take quite a while, so I'll build it over the next few weeks when I get a spare time. I'm going to have an area set out where I can set it up and build it all out. But here's tissue paper. You're going to have to do tissue paper and doping like in the olden days. We have push rods, wire push rods, various rubber bands. I think they're tyres actually. Even get the little power unit, little brushed motor, gear and prop, so in theory we'll be able to fly it. But even if I decide not to fly it, it's going to make a wonderful little desktop decoration. Kind of looking forward to it. Actually, I realise it's going to take me too long to build this, to wait for a video, so I'll get this introductory video out straight away, but I'll just show you, there's a link on the website for the build instructions, Tony Ray's peanut scale Bleriot building instructions, very thorough PDF with how many pages, lots and lots of pages, going through all the building steps, which is fantastic. Take it nice and slowly and follow the steps. The pieces are absolutely tiny. If you look at the size of that's the wingspan there, actual one-to-one wingspan. But it'll be a new experience and I'm looking forward to it. So that'll do for this one, and I'll continue on building it and bring you the finished product a little bit later on. Thanks for watching.